Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what you guys have all been waiting for, a Burmese hair vendor. Burmese hair vendor. Okay, a Burmese hair vendor you guys have all been asking for. I've been searching for them left and right, trying to find some that may be decent for you. I have not opened this package yet, but we are waiting to see, even I'm waiting to see what it's about to look like. Let me grab my scissors. Here's the package. All right, so let me cut it open. Right. Now, I ordered Burmese curly hair from them, and I ordered some body wave hair from them. I don't know why. I just ordered it just to try it, just to see it. So, all right, they put it, came out the package. Throw that away. They put it in a big bag. All right. Let me open it. Open this up. Okay, so let me turn this light up so y'all can see. All right, so first things first. I ordered, okay, look, it doesn't have a tag on it. So first, I ordered 3 bundles of 18-inch Burmese curly and a closure, 6x6 closure. And I ordered some 20 or 22-inch body wave bundles, okay? So this is what it comes. It comes wrapped in the little netting. Let me take this off and throw this away. It does not have a label on it, but I'm just gonna assume they're 18. It looks like, okay, look. It looks really nice from the camera's view. But to me, I don't know if I would sell it based off how it looks right now. I'm just saying. It looks like it was stuffed in a bag and sent to me, if that makes sense. But anyways, it doesn't look as laid out and as beautiful as when my other hair comes. But that curl pattern is popping. This curl pattern is popping, okay? So it does stretch, as you guys can see. This curl pattern is popping. The ends are kind of dry. I would probably just cut those off or trim them off, to be honest. And this is what the weft looks like. It looks like the tracks look very thick. My Burmese hair tracks are, come on thing, not as thick, but this is how they come. All right, camera focus, okay. So that's what that one looks like. Let me put that to the side so I can open the rest. All right, this is a body wave bundle, it looks like. Let me open it up, take it out and this is, see, look, the thing is stuck on the hair. Okay, whew, got that one off. All right, this is the body wave bundle. Very, very wavy. I don't know what it is. Okay, these ends look very, I don't even know if y'all can see, because the ends look so dry and shoot up. Oh my gosh, if I could show you guys this. It looks like if somebody gave your hair a press and curl, but they used too high of a heat to where it looks all crinkly and nasty, but not high enough of a heat for your hair to change color and burn. I don't know. I mean, it feels kind of dry, but the shine, it's beautiful. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna have to try this hair. As you guys can see, I still have on the hair from the raw Indian hair vendor that I did a review on and showed you guys an unboxing of this hair. I'm still wearing it. I'm still giving a review for it. But I'm gonna definitely have to try this hair and see how it does after I shampoo and condition it and stuff, because I'm really not liking these dry ends. Not even on the Burmese curly. Okay, look, this has a tag on it. I'm gonna try to read what it says. Let me open it up. So this says 6x6 Burmese curly, and some writing in a different language. I'm not even gonna try to guess what language, but some other writing. So let me take this little thing off. So this is the Burmese curly 6x6 closure. Now the lace is very beautiful. I do feel like it's the knot, I mean, where they did the strands of hair, they're a little far apart. So like inside, you probably can't tell on the camera, but in between the hairs, it's kind of like big gaps. So, I mean, it's beautiful. It'll definitely do. I'm not complaining. This is the 6x6 Burmese curly frontal. I mean, 6x6 closure. Sorry, guys. This one doesn't feel as dry compared to the bundles, okay? So let me just say that it doesn't feel as dry. The lace feels really nice. It feels like a standard thin kind of lace. The way that they've done the knots are very small. My only issue is the spacing in which it's not very thick. So the spacing in which they did the individual hairs is a little off. Here's another lace. I think I ordered a frontal, a body wave frontal from them as well. Lace is very thin. Okay. Look at her. Y'all, this frontal, it's a 13x4 lace frontal. It's beautiful. It is beautiful, you guys. The ends are not really dry on this frontal either. And the hair feels so good. I don't know why. No, the other body wave bundle was not feeling like this. I don't even know what length I got either, because this length frontal is super long. And I'm so pumped to use this frontal. Oh, my hair about to be laid. And this lace is thin. Oh, my hair about to be laid. Look at that. Now the spacing is a little bit better on the frontal, a little bit better, but the hair feels really good on this frontal. That's a body wave frontal. So I should have bundles only left. I don't think I like how they wrapped it in these little net pieces. Like they wrapped it super, super tight. I don't think I like that. This is another 18-inch Burmese curly bundle. And I think for me and my clients as well, the wefts are very thick. Well, I'm not gonna say they're very thick. They're thicker than the wefts that I get for my Burmese hair that I sell. All right, so it's super curly, like super, super, super tight curls, which is a good thing and a bad thing for some people. And the ends of this hair is so dry. I'm probably just gonna have to cut it off. I don't know what I'm about to do with this. Yeah, it's super dry on the ends. Super, super dry. It just feels like I said, like somebody's hair got burnt up on the ends. I don't know, y'all. We gonna see, but I don't know. We gonna see. I've never ordered from them ever before. I've never even heard of them before, you know, a few weeks ago. All right, so here is another body wave bundle. Again, nothing is labeled, so I don't even know what links I'm opening up for you guys, but I kind of know what I ordered. So this is about either a 20 or a 22 inch body wave bundle. I'm still gonna wear this hair. My only thing is I'm probably gonna have to cut like this much off of it because all of the hair down here on the ends is so dry. But I'm confused because the rest of the hair, running my fingers through it, feels amazing, except for the ends. And it's very thick to the bottom, because I think I ordered double drawn hair. And if you guys don't know what double drawn hair is, go Google it, y'all, please. Google it. But this, very thick, but very dry on the ends. And that's for all the bundles. All right, I got 2 more bundles in this bag. Throw that away. So this one's another body wave. And for, like, if you guys are looking for hair to sell, taking these net pieces off of the hair like this, no, not gonna happen. I'm just saying, like, for me, like, I'm not gonna wrestle with the net piece to take it off of the hair and make it look all messed up for my client who's supposed to receive it. Whether I'm doing, you know, whatever. Oh my God. This bundle, this one right here, the driest of them all. And look how the hair comes. I mean, it just looks ran through. That's all I'm saying. It just looks ran through, to be honest. It just looks, and it's so sad because the curl is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, the curl is amazing on this, but the ends are so dry. No, I don't know what they need to do. Not wrap it in these little nets. I don't know. Here's the last. This one's not as bad. And I'm still gonna try the hair regardless of how the hair feels, you guys. Of course, you know, there's always the chance of, oh, you got a bad batch of hair. Oh, you guys know Burmese curly hair is steamed. Maybe they just kind of did it wrong in the process. I don't know. It could have been 1,000 things. But a few things that I keep in mind when picking a vendor is presentation is a lot sometimes, and that can turn people off. So strike 1, the hair is dry as I don't know what on the ends, like super dry. Like it's a clear difference between this part of the hair and the ends. Okay, so that's all I'm saying. Strike 1. Strike 2, it came bunched up and wrapped up inside of those little nets. And so if I wanted to resell the hair, who's gonna buy it? Looking all crazy. That's all I'm saying, okay? Now I can wash the hair, let it air dry, and have people purchase it that way, but that's a lot of work. I don't know if I'm feeling it. I'm really trying to run my hands through this hair so I can see if it's gonna get better. It just feels so rough on the ends. Yeah, all of these bundles I'm probably gonna cut like that much off. Another thing that I do like, and I could have picked something different, but these ones are double drawn, so it's thick all the way to the ends, but I think I'm probably gonna cut off the ends or layer it or something, because it is just too dry on the ends for me to do anything with, or for the style to last. And I'm not gonna have my hair matting up, tangling up, or anything like that. So these are the bundles. Let me grab them all for you. All right, I got the Burmese curly bundles that I ordered with a 6x6 lace closure. This is all of them. Ugh. Very, very beautiful. Very dry ends, unfortunately. but I will have the time to go through the hair, test out the color on the hair, and you know, I am gonna color this Burmese curly hair. I think. I know. I didn't color this last, you know, vendor that I did, but I am gonna color this Burmese curly hair and see how it works for me. It's very, very, very curly. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use all 3 bundles of this 18-inch because it's gonna be a super big and super full look, which I like, but we will see. And then of course, the body wave bundles with this super long body wave 13 by 4 inch frontal. I will give them this. They listened to exactly what I needed to order, and I got the hair in a timely manner, which I only waited about a week, maybe a week and a few days or so. So I'm very satisfied with that. And so we'll see once I start testing out the hair. You guys know that I'm bringing you vendors. If you have any raw hair vendors or Burmese curly vendors that you guys want me to purchase from, try out, test out for you guys, don't hesitate to comment below and let me know who they are, where I can find them, so then I can go ahead and purchase from them. Some of these vendors, I do let them know I need the hair ASAP, or I let them know that I will be doing a review on their hair, just in case they want an honest review on their hair. I purchase all of the hair myself. You guys know that. I do not get sponsored by any of these raw hair vendor companies or anything like that. So hopefully all of my videos are helping you guys pick a vendor that you may like if you want to go down the raw hair route. I will have more raw hair vendors. I need to do some Cambodian hair. I need to do some other hair vendors as well that are raw, and I can come back to you guys and see what you guys like, what you guys don't like, and of course always have I have raw Indian hair vendors up my belt already that I need to try, but I want to get some different things out to you guys. So stay tuned for all of these videos coming. I have to test out the hair and wear it for a while, so it might take me a minute to come with the vendors back to back for you guys to try out. And I think that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for the next video, which will be me testing out this hair and putting it on my head and wearing it and things like that. So far so good with this last raw Indian hair vendor. I do love them so far. I've been wearing this wig and everybody's been loving it. I haven't styled this wig at all, but she is laid and she's doing me wonders. I do take her on and off every night, but the hair feels really good. So I will be doing this review in about 2 weeks, so keep in mind for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.